You ever hear someone mention the Boss 5.4 and think, wait, wasn't the standard 5.4 Triton already a big deal in the Ford F-150 world? There's a difference, and for gearheads, it's a chasm, a sort of don't confuse the two mistake. The pain point with those original Tritons is brutal. Spark plug blowouts, cam phasers that tick louder than your neighbor's angry chihuahua, and enough timing chain issues to ruin your weekend, if not your month. The Boss 5.4, though, likes to flex differently. Here's the impact stat that blows people away. The Boss 5.4 was bred for the Ford GT supercar, yes, the Le Mans winner, and got dropped into a handful of special F-150s and the 2010-2014 SVT Raptor. We're talking serious pedigree, not just a parts bin engine. A lot of folks squint and ask, is the Boss really that different? And yep, it is. Think forged steel crank, beefier rods, high-flow heads, and a block that laughs at high horsepower. Rated at 320 to 411 horsepower, depending on the variant, which is a leap from a regular F-150 V8. Pro tip: if you're lucky enough to see one in the wild, you'll notice the block is decked out with extra ribbing, thicker walls, and even piston cooling oil jets. They built this thing to take abuse, not just pull trailers on a weekend. But let's talk maintenance, because these are not oil change and done engines. They demand synthetic oil changes like an overcaffeinated boss sending follow-up emails. Skip this, and you'll get more than just angry noises. You'll get wallet pain when valves start sludging up. If performance is the question, Boss 5.4 has the answer. We're talking 0 to 60 in under 6.5 seconds on a 5,700-pound SVT Raptor. For context, that's quicker than most 2000s Ferraris with their fragile gated shifters and, let's be honest, fancier key fobs. Fuel economy, though? Let's not sugarcoat it. You get single-digit numbers if you gun it, and double digits if you're feeling saintly. That's the tax for having a race-proven lump in your pickup. Pain point for most, but for those who care, it's a badge of honor. The swap game, a big F-150 hobby, gets nuclear when someone drops a true Boss 5.4 into a regular pickup. If you want plug and play, forget it. Electronics, engine mounts, and fuel systems all need their own therapy after the swap, but you gain a unicorn status at Cars and Coffee. Reliability? Well, the Boss block eats boost for breakfast. Some folks slap on superchargers or turbos, and these engines see 700-plus horsepower without flinching. That's not just internet flex, it's dyno proven. Compare that to a standard 5.4, which taps out way earlier. But getting parts takes patience. The Boss-specific bits aren't on Amazon Prime. Think specialty suppliers, forums, and a bit of luck. It tests your determination, but honestly, scarcity makes victory taste better. Rarity check. Only a few thousand of these engines went into F-150s and SVT Raptors, so if you stumble on one in a Craigslist ad that isn't a scam, consider buying a lottery ticket too. This is the kind of F-150 the internet argues about, but secretly, everyone wants a turn driving. The bottom line? The Boss 5.4 is the best of Ford's V8 world, race car genetics in a pickup package. It'll drain your gas tank, threaten your wallet, keep you up at night searching for parts. But holy hell, does it make you feel like a legend behind the wheel.